Once we have stacked all of our 4 pieces, as shown in illustration 1 and in the picture above the video, we'll start with illustration 2, where we take the New York Beauty and we sew it to the Lone Star, and we do that for both of these. So I'll show you how I do these. I'll take all 4 of the New York Beauties for this one and all 4 of the Lone Stars and take them down. So here's one, here's the Lone Star, and here's the New York Beauty that goes there. So you see it matches what it looks like there. I will take both of these stacks to my machine. Then you flip this over and stitch the New York Beauty to the Lone Star, and you're going to match the smart corners. These are very easy to do. What you're going to do, the only 2 places you need to match these seams are the ends where the smart corners are. So you'll match this smart corner, put it in your machine, take a few stitches with your needle down, and then hold this next smart corner and match it, and then just hold this in place. Your needle will hold the top in place, and then you just make sure that all of your sides are matched as you stitch your 1/4 inch seam down this way. So I will stitch this and show you what it looks like. Here is the New York Beauty stitched onto the Lone Star. This, if you look at this, see where they printed this seam here, and you see on this side, on the New York Beauty side, there's a little faint line, like a dashed line. That means you press towards that line. So if you pressed like this, then the seam allowance is on this side. So that's the way you press. You match where the dashed line is, that's the direction you press. And you'll go through and do all 4 of your New York Beauty to Lone Star units like this, and then press them all. Continuing with illustration number 2, we're going to do the lower part of the New York Beauty and the Lone Star block. And those are right here. So we'll stitch this unit to this unit, and again we'll press towards the New York Beauty block.